tell me the make and model of your bike.
It's a Kawasaki 300 Supermoto.
How long you been riding?
I've been riding almost 20 years.
20 years. Why did you choose that bike?
I'm just coming back to two wheels after a couple of hip replacements.
Okay.
So I needed something a little less. My other two-wheeler, I have a 2005 Ducati Monster 620.
Okay.
And that I love. And I needed something that was a little bit less to come back.
Come back to?
So, but I've only in fact, this is brand new. I don't even have 200 miles on it.
Oh, wow.
I'm still breaking it in.
You're still breaking it in?
And I'm already like, it's not going fast enough.
Because it's a 300.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're a rider, so you've been riding for a while, so I can imagine that, you know. So how do you like it? The reliability and things of that nature? Was that one of your criterias when you got the bike?
Yes, and also because I'm on the shorter side, I wanted to at least be able to touch ground.
Right. So
I really was looking at something that was, more dirt bike-ish.
Yes.
But a lot of those are much taller.
Ah, okay.
And I was like, just coming back to two wheels. I mean, I can't flat foot it, but I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it doesn't look like you've lowered the bike, right?
No.
This looks like factory height to me, right?
I am having a seat made that will scoop it a little bit, give me about another inch on the.
Tell me about the bike. Does it have things like ABS and safety? What safety features does it have?
I honestly don't know that it has ABS. It is really basic.
Okay.
I can tell you that.
No problem. And what price range was your bike in?
Out the door, 7,500.
7,500. Okay. So in that 7,500, that's not, it's not cheap for a 300. So in 7,500, you had a pretty decent amount of choices. So you found that this was the best one, basically?
This was the thing I was the most comfortable.
Okay. After trying it?
Yeah, throwing a leg over it, knowing what I'm comfortable with.
Okay.
That was what worked the best for me.
That worked best for you. Okay. Good. So what is your plan after this?
To go back to my Ducati.
Go back to your
see
Ducati?
What I'm going to do with that? I don't know. I haven't decided yet.
Okay.
Hopefully she'll let me ride it some.